What's up guys, this is a video on the new Crosstour CT9500 4K action camera. So you can buy this camera from Amazon for about $89.99 and this is how it comes in the box. So right, let's get it open and have a look what comes inside it. So the first thing we've got is some contact details for Crosstour, so that if you have any problems or any issues you can get in touch with them directly. So the camera itself does come with a 12 months warranty. And the next thing we've got is a user manual. So this is what the actual camera looks like, and it comes in this waterproof housing, which is waterproof up to 40 meters. So to take this out of its waterproof housing, all you do is pull this clip down and lift the latch up from the front. And just take the camera out. So this is what the actual camera looks like, and the first thing I've noticed is from the last one, this one is slightly curved at the front of it, and there's no actual buttons on the front of it at all. All you've got is a power indicator light, which is lets you know when you're recording. The lens itself is 170 degrees A+ high resolution wide angle lens. On the side of it here we've got a microphone, and we've got a cover like the last one. So this actual cover does not come off, it stays attached, which is good. And the first thing we've got is a HDMI port, which you can connect it to a TV or a monitor. So you can view what you're recording or what you've already recorded. Above that we've got a USB port, so you can use that for data transfer or charging the batteries up itself. Or you can actually connect the power lead to it so you can continuously record. On the side here we've got a slot where you connect your micro SD card, and you can connect a card from 8 to 128 gigabyte class 10 card. So this actual camera will not take a microphone, an external microphone, but I have spoke to Crosstour and they have said they are going to be bringing a new camera out soon which will take an external microphone. So on the back of it here we've got a 2-inch screen, which is an IPS screen, and you've got two indicator lights here. One to let you know when you're charging, and the other one is to let you know when your Wi-Fi is on and off. So on the other side we've got an up and down button so you can scroll through the menu, and we've got a speaker here as well. So on the top of it here we've got the power button to turn it on and off, which doubles up as a mode button, so you can flick through your video mode, your picture mode, and then you've got your playback mode and your settings. On the side here we've got a shutter button, which doubles up as your enter button as well. So underneath here, this is where the battery goes, and to open the compartment all you do is pull this latch up and it flips open. And the actual door stays attached, it does not come off. Like the last one, it used to come off completely. So the battery itself, what goes in the bottom is a 1350 milliamp battery, which will record up to 90 minutes depending on your recording settings. So the camera itself will record 4K at 30 frames per second. It will record 2K at 30 frames per second. It will do 1440p at 60 and 30 frames per second. And it will do 1080p at 60 and 30 frames per second. It will do 720p at 120 or 60 frames per second as well. And it will take pictures up to 60 megapixels. So right, it's got a built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect to any Android or iOS device like your phone or your tablet by simply downloading an app called U2 Pro, and you can download that from the App Store or Google Play. And the camera itself does come with image stabilization, So I'm looking forward to testing that out. So right, that's everything on the camera, and we'll see what else comes in the box. So we've got another box within a box, and it says accessories. So let's get it open and have a look what we get inside it. So first thing we've got another waterproof back door, and that just simply slots onto the back. It just unhooks and hooks on and off from the back. And this one's got some compartments which are open. So that's not for using underwater, but you could use it with your camera just to keep it safe to let any audio through. They give you some 3M adhesive pads, and you get a metal teddy with it as well. You get a curved mount with it. You get a cleaning cloth for the lens. You get a straight extension for the camera. You get a three-way pivot arm, and this is a long one. And you got another three-way pivot arm which is a shorter one. You've got battery. I'll come back to the battery in a minute. You get another two flat mounts. One's got a 1/4 inch thread in the middle, so you can screw it onto a selfie stick or something. You've got a charging lead or a data transfer lead. You've got a J hook in there. So this J hook you just connect to the mount. You just simply slide it onto it. You've got a bicycle mount or a pole mount. And you get a charger, so you connect your power lead to it, and you can slot your batteries into it. And I think you do actually get two batteries with it, and I'll check that now. You get a tripod connection. You get another case for it, so you can have the camera out in the open, and it simply just slots onto it like that through the back. And it's got a 1/4 inch thread at the top, and it's got a 1/4 inch thread at the bottom, so you can connect it to a selfie stick or a tripod or whatever, basically what will accept that. So that's the case for it. You've got a big clip mount. We'll just get that out of the bag so you can see it. That you can attach to your bag or your rucksack, or basically anything you want, any kind of strap, and just connect the camera to the front of it. So there's the other battery. So you get two batteries with it. That's really good. You get some tie wraps. And finally you get some straps. You got two straps for it there. I think they're hand straps, and you get two shorter straps as well. And that's everything in the box, guys. So right guys, that's the unboxing for the new Crosstour CT9500. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.